Hi there, it's Laurence here from Farthings, the dry cleaners in Cambridge, and I am today here with Deb, which started with us a few months ago.
Yes.
Yes.
A couple of months now.
Yes.
Yeah, it's great.
So today we are showing you that we can give you a nice box.
Yeah, one thing I love about working here at Farthings is the passion and the care that takes place in cleaning the wedding dresses, and the presentation box is absolutely stunning. Probably the camera doesn't do it any real justice.
Yes, and so we clean wedding dresses, any type of wedding dress, and they all come very beautiful.
Yeah.
And so can we talk about a little bit the box,
Well,
Deb?
the box is completely, it preserves the wedding dress for a long time because
Yes.
I can't remember what it's made of, you need to help me.
Yes, it's handmade in the UK.
Yeah.
And also it's highly protective from light, dust, and even, you know, if you had a flood.
Flood and fire, which is really, really impressive.
Yeah.
And it makes a great ornament as well. It
Yes,
makes
in the
a
bedroom.
good feature in any bedroom.
Yes.
But it is absolutely stunning.
And the quality is really good. You got different sizes as well.
Yeah.
This one is the standard, but you can have bigger depending.
This is the standard
Yes,
one.
yes.
Okay. Well,
And you
it
can
is
have it
very big.
smaller or even
Yeah.
bigger if you've got a big.
Depending on how much material is in the wedding dress, obviously. But
Yes.
yeah, it is very impressive.
And the way what we do as well, we put the wedding dress between acid-free paper, so then there's no yellowish, yellowing and all of that.
No, it preserves it perfectly. Just like the day it was brought.
Yes. Here we go.
Here we
So
go.
if you need your wedding dress cleaned, or we also do repair and alteration, we do rug cleaning, dry cleaning, any type of garments,
Anything you
we can help.
Yeah.
So come and see us on the Milton Road.
Look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you. Bye.